All right. Good morning, everyone. Tim Davis coming to you guys with the market review on copper. I think it's copper time, folks. Copper is another one of these commodities that has a great setup for continuation higher and a breakout above all-time highs. I want to start out by taking a look at a monthly chart of copper. And today is again April the 18th, 2024. Just so you can get a timestamp on this. And show you somewhere where you can actually find a way to take advantage of a trending position or trending sector. All right, so take a look at copper. This is a monthly chart of copper. I'm going to point out a couple of things before we draw a Fibonacci retracement to show you guys the possible targets for copper. So back in 2020, you saw copper drop to a low here. Sorry about that, folks. A low here around less than $2. And since that, we saw copper have a big run up from those 2020 lows. So nice run up in copper. Then we kind of like form this sort of a cup type pattern and reached a high of over $5. Then we pulled back. But the pullback did not take us back down to these lows. It pulled back to a certain level and it started to consolidate. It started to find a bottom. We're having a short period higher and then another type of cup type of formation. And then look what's happening now. We've got two big green candles on the monthly chart, which tells me that copper is ready for its next leg up. Now, to determine where we could possibly go, I decided to do a Fibonacci retracement examination of this particular move. So let me show you guys what that looks like. Let's clear all this out. Move this to this and put on my Fibonacci tool with an extension. So what I want to do is trace this low that we've seen back in 2020 up to the ultimate high that we've seen 2022 down to the low that we've seen in 2022. And that would give us pretty much of a tracement area of where we can see the next move as far as Fibonacci retracement. So we pretty much just watching the retracement from this low to this high. And normally when you get that retracement, normally you can find out exactly, well, not exactly, but get a pretty much idea of where we could see prices go next after that retracement. So the retracement tool now showing us that here are some possible targets for copper. 50% retracement, if we get back to that level, normally that is a strong area where we can see some type of consolidation or whatever. But I do think that we could see copper eventually take out this $5 price target that we've seen back in 2022. So we're in an upward trajectory. We already broke through the first Fibonacci retracement level around 430. Looks like we're heading, we'll move up towards that 466. So that is a huge possibility in copper. Wanted to put that out there, folks, to give you guys something to pay attention to, something to look at, and something to possibly trade. Now, one way that I've been trading copper since it's been on the move higher is I've been using this copper move and jumping into FCX. FCX is a Freeport-McMoRan, which pretty much traces the move of copper. And one thing you'll know is that you've been following me for a while. I showed you guys this triangle pattern that FCX was in, and it finally broke out of this triangle pattern. So it could be going much higher. As long as copper continues to go higher, we can see FCX go much higher than that level. So right now it's trading just below 50 before the market opens, but I think it's going to break out of that level soon in a big way, and we could see FCX go up towards 60, folks. So keep that in mind. I do have positions in FCX and maybe add into that position possibly sometime today. All right, folks, just wanted to show you guys what's happening in copper. Hopefully this is some information you guys can use. Catch you guys in the next video.